Class 10 NCERT Maths, Chapter 7 Coordinate Geometry. Distance formula in R2. Px1 y1 and qx2 y2 are points in R2. Then PQ is equal to under root x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. This formula is known as distance formula in R2. Now using this formula, let us solve problems of exercise number 7.1. Question number 1. Find the distance between the following pair of points. First one, 2, 3, 4, 1. Let A 2, 3, B 4, 1. Then using distance formula, AB is equal to under root 2 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 1 whole square. Here we have taken difference of square of x coordinate plus difference of square of y coordinate, and we have taken in square root. Therefore AB is equal to under root 4 plus 4. Therefore AB is equal to under root 2 multiplied 4. Therefore AB is equal to 2 root 2. So distance between given points 2, 3, 4, 1 is 2 root 2. Our second points are given minus 5, 7, minus 1, 3. Let P minus 5, 7, Q minus 1, 3. Then using distance formula, we can write PQ is equal to under root 5 minus 1 whole square plus 7 minus 3 whole square. Therefore PQ is equal to under root 5 plus 1 whole square plus 7 minus 3 whole square. Therefore PQ is equal to 16 plus 16. Therefore PQ is equal to under root 16 multiplied 2. So PQ equal to 4 root 2. So therefore distance between given points is 4 root 2. Now let us see third problem. Points are given AB minus A minus B. Let M AB and N minus A minus B. Then Mn is equal to under root A minus A whole square plus B minus B whole square. Therefore Mn is equal to under root A plus A whole square plus B whole square. Therefore Mn is equal to 4A square plus 4B square. Here A plus A 2A whole square is 4A square, and B plus B 2B, and 2B whole square is 4B square. Therefore Mn is equal to under root 4 into bracket A square plus B square. Therefore Mn is equal to 2 under root A square plus B square. So distance between given points is 2 under root A square plus B square. Question 2. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. O 0, 0, A 36, 15. Therefore, according to distance formula, OA is equal to under root 0 minus 36 whole square plus 0 minus 15 whole square. Therefore, OA is equal to under root 1296 plus 225. Therefore, OA is equal to under root 1521. Therefore, OA is equal to 39. So answer, distance between given points is 39. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11 are collinear. Let A 1, 5, B 2, 3 and C minus 2, minus 11. Let us find out AB is equal to under root 1 minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square. Therefore AB is equal to under root minus 1 square plus 2 square. Therefore AB is equal to 1 plus 4 under root. Therefore AB is equal to under root 5. Now BC is equal to under root 2 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 11 whole square. Therefore BC is equal to under root 2 plus 2 whole square plus 3 plus 11 whole square. Therefore BC is equal to under root 16 plus 196. Therefore BC is equal to under root 212. Therefore BC is equal to under root 53 multiplied 4. Therefore BC is equal to 2 root 53. Now let us find out CA. CA is equal to under root minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 whole square. Therefore CA is equal to under root minus 3 square plus minus 16 square. Therefore CA is equal to under root 9 plus 256. Therefore CA is equal to under root 265. here we can find AB plus BC not equal to CA, BC plus CA not equal to AB, CA plus AB not equal to BC. Therefore given points are non-collinear.